Hi guys, Lope here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making this cute little table candy of a bead bag. And I'm going to show you step-to-step process of how to make this bag from start to finish, including the handle. So let's get right into the video. So in today's video, we will need this sugar bead. We have size 20 and our fishing line. We have 0.72 and our snap scissors. We'll also be using hardware handles, but I'm going to show you before the end of this video. So let's start. First, we want to cut our fishing line and we want to make the base of the bag first. So we are going to make 4x4 base. So first you want to put fishing line, put your beads in your fishing line, three beads. Then you want to use the fourth one to cross your fishing line. So continue. We want to put one bead each on each side of the fishing line, and you want to cross it. I will continue. One bead on each fishing line, and you want to cross it or loop it with your third bead. So for the last one, remember I said we were going to do 4x4. For the last one, you want to put 2 beads on one fishing line, and you want to cross it with third one. So we're going to go on with the second layer. Again, you want to put 2 beads in your fishing line, and then you want to cross it with the third one. That's way we are building our base. Put one bead and you cross it with the second one. Continue the same process. You put your bead, the fishing line, and the next bead. You want to put one in the second bead, and you use one to cross both fishing lines. We have gotten to the end of the second layer. We are going to close it up. So you want to continue with one bead, and you want to cross it with the second one. Same process. Now that we've finished this, we want to start building up our bead bag. Let's put 2 beads and you cross with the third one. You repeat the same process. Put your fishing line in the next bead. And you put 1 fishing line, 1 bead, and you cross it with the second one. And then you cross it with the second bead. Again, you want to continue same process. Put your fishing line in the next bead. And put 1 bead in the second fishing line, and we cross both fishing line with the last bead. So you want to continue with the same process until you build this round. I'll continue round until we reach our final level of preference. So I'm going to continue this in a fast motion so you can see what I'm doing. So I've just finished with the first layer of the bag, and you can see how sturdy and firm it is. So just follow the same process and your bag will be very firm. So I'm going to do like 3 more steps to make it 4 so that we can fix our handles. So let's get right. So you guys, I ran out of bead and I've like searched all my starch. I can't find the pink. So I'm going to finish up with this same beads but different colors, which is from another project. So I'm just going to finish up with these ones off camera, and we'll fix our hardware handle, which is this, and with jump rings, or we might end up using a smaller jump ring, not sure. So we're going to fix it like this with our plier. So let me just go finish up the last layer and then we can work with our handle. So guys, I've just finished with the bag, and as you can see, it is very sturdy. You don't do any loose bag here, you know. So now we're going to work with the handle. We're going to be using these jump rings and this hardware handle. So I have my chain opener, which I'm going to use to open this chain and then close it back. I feel you should invest in this tool. It's just very good. I've opened the chain like this. I want to close it back. As simple as that. You don't have to struggle with any hardware if you have this tool. So please invest in it, and you understand what I'm saying. So you want to open it. Before then, we are going to put these jump rings on opposite sides, so that it's balanced. You can also bead your handle just from here, middle to middle, bead your handle, but I would like to use an hardware today. So we're going to put this hardware here, and we're also going to put it here. You can always put in your hardware when you are beading, but I didn't want to do that so that I don't confuse you. So we are going to do it basically the way you can do it. So we want to shift open our jump ring, and then we are going to fix it into the open line, as you can see. On the other side, we're going to do the same thing. So before you close it up, you want to put your rings. I shouldn't have opened this anyway, but if you don't have this jumping, you can just attach it here to your bead. So you want to attach it, and then you want to close. Going to pass it to the second place, and then you also close it. Just like so. So you roll it back, and you have your bead. You have your bead back. So I'm going to make an up close video right now. But first, we want to pop in a drawstring bag. If you haven't seen my video on the drawstring bag, I guess you should see it. You can make any drawstring size you want. So we're going to pop in, and we have our bead bag. So I'm going to take my camera and make a close video. Hello, we have our bead bag, and it is ready to go for any owambe, for your dinner, for it's like that table candy. So I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you liked this one, kindly give it a thumbs up, and kindly subscribe if you are new to this channel so you don't miss my next video. Have a nice one, guys. Bye.